Hey there YouTube, Lucas here. Just wanted to do a quick show of what I found. Publix, Q case, yellow fig rig, the cool one, and this is the one I really wanted to show you. I saw this car and thought it was awesome. This 67 C10, that is awesome. So, I did a wheel swap with it. Here it is. Redline tires on that candy red paint. How sweet is that? Real riders. I just think that's so badass. Sorry for my language, but that is awesome. Look at that. Just think that redline tires look perfect. I pulled it off an old Boulevard. Rolls great. Fit in there perfectly. Those wheels were made for this truck. Alright, what do you think, guys? That thing is just boss. My latest wheel swap with the 67 C10. I just thought this Chevy was awesome. I don't know. It's just awesome. Especially with those new tires. Alright guys, comment, post, and what you think.